Hello and welcome to this video on the benefits of decluttering and simplifying your life. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves surrounded by clutter and excess possessions. From our homes to our workplaces, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of stuff we have. But there's good news: simplifying and decluttering your life can have a profound impact on your well-being, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at why and how. Section 1: The negative impact of clutter. Clutter is more than just a visual distraction, it can actually have a negative impact on our mental and emotional health. Studies have shown that clutter can increase feelings of stress and anxiety, reduce productivity, and make it difficult to relax and unwind. When we're surrounded by clutter, it can feel like our lives are out of control, making it hard to focus and get things done. Section 2: The benefits of decluttering. The good news is that decluttering and simplifying your life can have a positive impact on your well-being. Decluttering your space can help to reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, making it easier to relax and focus on what's important. By simplifying your life, you can also improve your productivity, freeing up time and mental energy to pursue your passions and goals. Section 3: How to get started with decluttering. So, how do you get started with decluttering and simplifying your life? The first step is to take an inventory of your belongings and decide what's truly important to you. Keep what brings you joy and happiness and get rid of anything that's no longer serving you. Once you've decluttered your space, make a commitment to maintain a clutter-free environment by regularly purging anything that's no longer needed. Section 4: The importance of minimalism. Minimalism is an important aspect of decluttering and simplifying your life. Minimalism is about living with purpose and intention, focusing on the things that truly matter to you and letting go of anything that's holding you back. By embracing minimalism, you can create a more peaceful and fulfilling life, free from the distractions of clutter and excess possessions. Final conclusion. In conclusion, decluttering and simplifying your life can have a profound impact on your well-being, reducing stress and anxiety, improving productivity, and freeing up time and mental energy to pursue your passions and goals.